How to change the overall speed of the video you are editing using the CapCut Video Editor app. So if you want to change the video to play a bit faster than it actually is, then here's where you can go to do that. With CapCut Video Editor app, if you are working with more than one video clip and there is one video clip that you want to have play faster, you want to make sure you select it first, like this here. And when you do that, these tools will appear. Just browse over until you see speed. So by doing this, you are telling CapCut that it's just for this video you're selected that you want to change the speed for. And as I select speed, you'll notice there is 3 different options. We'll leave curve for another video, but if you simply want to change the overall speed for this video, you'll just tap on normal and you can go to your right to increase the overall speed. You'll notice right here that the seconds or the time of your video duration will decrease as you make it go faster, which of course because it's playing faster. So if I leave it to 1.5, you'll see it goes from 12.3 to 8.2. However, if you also want to make it play slower, you can go behind the 1 and play it much slower. You can see it's now 12 seconds going to 30 seconds instead of the 12 seconds. All right, so that's it. So once you make your changes here, press the check mark. You can see if I play it really fast now, the video is much shorter and it will play much faster. And that's it for this guide here. Like and sub.